Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams. Start by understanding the scope of your exams. Create a realistic study timetable, dedicating specific blocks of time to each subject. This structured approach helps you cover all topics without feeling overwhelmed. Make sure you have all your notes, textbooks, and past papers ready. Knowing what to expect and having your resources organized are the first crucial steps towards successful exam preparation. Now, let's dive into active learning. Instead of passively rereading, actively test yourself. Try to recall information from memory before checking your notes. Explaining complex ideas in your own words, perhaps to a friend or even to yourself, significantly boosts retention. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing facts and formulas, turning your study sessions into engaging challenges. Consistent practice is vital. Work through past exam papers, timing yourself to get a feel for the real exam environment. This helps you manage your time effectively and reduces anxiety. After each practice session, analyze your mistakes to pinpoint areas needing more attention. Regular review, perhaps once every 3 or 4 days, prevents forgetting and strengthens your long-term memory of the material. Finally, remember that your well-being is paramount. Prioritize getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. A well-rested mind performs better. Incorporate short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so to refresh your focus. Staying hydrated and eating balanced meals will sustain your energy throughout your study period. A healthy body supports a healthy mind, leading to optimal exam performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.